Thinking of taking an RV trip to Florida, but wondering where to stay? Keep watching to discover our 5 favorite RV parks here in Florida, where we've stayed and why they were so great. We're Josh and Liz from Peanuts or Pretzels, a travel website that helps make travel planning easier and more fun. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our travel videos. Florida is one of the most popular destinations for RVers, especially during the winter months. But with so many RV parks to choose from all across the state, it can be hard to decide where to go and where to stay. So in this video, we're going to share with you our top 5 favorite RV parks here in Florida where we have actually stayed and tell you a little bit about them and why we love them so much. These are in no particular order. All of them are great for different reasons, but we'll go ahead and start in the South in the Keys and work our way north. Number 1, Fiesta Key RV Resort. The Florida Keys is an especially popular place to visit for RVers, but there are not many RV parks here, and they can be really expensive. But we found a gem of a place called Fiesta Key RV Resort, and it was honestly one of the best places we could have stayed in the Keys. It's located in the Middle Keys area, so you're centrally located to explore all the different areas of the Keys, from the north to the south. The park is also incredible and is surrounded by water. It feels like its own little island, really. And it feels more like a hotel resort rather than an RV park. They have an on-site restaurant, and they even have live music on different nights of the week. They have hot tubs, a swimming pool, a sandy beach area, and tons of activities. You can also snorkel just offshore or take your kayak out, and they even have a marina on site too. To learn more, be sure to check out our Fiesta Key RV Park video linked here, where we go into a lot more detail about the park. Number 2, Fort DeSoto. Just south of St. Petersburg in the Tampa Bay area is Fort DeSoto. This is a county park that feels more like a state park. It's set among multiple islands along the Gulf of Mexico, and the park consists of an old fort area that you can explore, as well as incredible beaches. There's also biking and walking paths, plus some of the most amazing kayaking offshore. The park is also very dog-friendly and even has their own dog beach area. The campground area is super affordable, and some of the sites actually sit right on the water. Even if you don't have a water view, many of the sites are super private and tucked away in the trees. However, this park does book up fast, so if you want to stay here, you need to go make your reservations online in advance. Number 3, Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground. As many of you already know, we are Disney nuts. And while Disney is known for their amazing hotels and great guest experience, few people realize that you can actually camp at Disney World here in Florida. In fact, of all the Disney resorts out there, Fort Wilderness is by far our absolute favorite. The campground is immaculate, the sites are large, and there are tons of amenities. From walking and biking trails, lakes, fishing, boating, swimming areas, a dog park, and they even have archery. There's a restaurant on site and even a popular dinner show that you can attend. It's also super convenient to the theme parks. However, we've actually stayed here sometimes and not even went to the parks. That's just how much fun this RV park is. And at night, they also have a campfire sing-along, they roast marshmallows, and get together and watch movies under the stars. You might even see Chip and Dale there too. For more details, be sure to watch our complete Fort Wilderness video, linked here. Number 4, Rock Crusher Canyon RV Resort. Located in Crystal River, Florida, Rock Crusher Canyon was a total surprise for us. We actually spent months there when we were full-time RVing because the rates are great and it's not super hard to book, and they have large sites with fantastic amenities. The resort is really quite large, making it great for walking and biking, and there are even a few trails through the woods. They have a wonderful heated and screened-in swimming pool area as well as a hot tub, and they even have planned events like bingo and card games and things like that. There's a dog park, a fire pit, playground, basketball, and more. Being located in Crystal River, it's also really close if you want to go out and see all the manatees. Number 5, Emerald Beach RV Park in Navarre, Florida. Located up in the panhandle of Florida, between Pensacola and Destin, is the small town of Navarre, and Emerald Beach RV Park holds a special place in our hearts there. This is a small family-owned RV park with some of the best views and its own private beach. Yes, that's right. They have a fishing pier as well as their own beach area with chairs, and you can go swimming out there. They also have a dedicated dog section of the beach, which, of course, Hannah absolutely loved. There's a swimming pool here too, but the beach is truly the best part about staying here, and the owners and the staff are super friendly. Well, those are our top 5 favorite RV parks here in Florida, but we know there are so many other great RV parks in Florida to choose from. So if you have a favorite that we didn't mention, feel free to leave it in the comments below so that other people can check it out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our other travel and RV videos. Thanks for watching!